get one eventually. Is it marked? Oh no, we'll be able to see that. Where we
Hey,
go?
Taylor, I need your light to illuminate. Here, I'll give you this, and you should do a panoramic of your room. Huh? Okay.
Oh, because I have the light. Gotcha. Hold on. Here we go. Bright one on. We came from that piece of tape. We went up like that.
And so down here into the hole.
That's the hole we're about to go down into. Fun. Okay.
So fragile.